Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to safely delete a Jira project. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or reorganizing your workspace, it's crucial to handle this process carefully because once a project is deleted, it's gone for good. So before we start, make sure you have backups and get approval from your team. Let's dive in. Accessing projects first. Open your browser and log into Jira. From the dashboard, click on your work to get started. On the left-hand menu, select Projects and then click View All Projects. This will show you a complete, organized list of all your projects. Selecting the project next, locate the project you want to delete. Once you find it, click the three-dot menu, also known as three dots, and choose Move to Trash. Confirming deletion. A confirmation prompt will appear. This is your last chance to double check that you have backups and that your team agrees with deleting this project. Once you're sure, confirm the deletion. Cleanup complete. After confirmation, the project will disappear from your active list, giving you a cleaner and more organized workspace. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Jira project safely. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or tips you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.